It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas. This is Panay News Tonight. Here are the top stories of the day. The Iloilo provincial government's COVID-19 response has been lauded by the World Health Organization in the Philippines. On Monday, representatives from the WHO Philippines, led by Officer in Charge Dr. Graham Harrison, visited Governor Arthur Defensor Jr. for updates on the province's COVID-19 vaccination and its implementation of the Universal Healthcare Law. Iloilo Provincial Health Office Head Dr. Maria Socorro Colmenares Quinion briefed them on the province's COVID-19 response measures and programs. In particular, the WHO Philippines praised the local government's NutriVac project, wherein food packs were distributed among families who availed of the COVID vaccinations. The funds for the project was taken from the 25 million pesos allocated by the Office of the President for the province's COVID-19 response. Quinion was elated with the organization's recognition of their COVID efforts, and Defensor thanked both the WHO and the Department of Health for their help during the pandemic. Over 1.3 million learners in Western Visayas have been enrolled for school year 2022 to 2023. According to the Department of Education, over 1,367,961 learners have been enrolled as of August 7, with more than 1.2 million in public schools, over 130,000 in private schools, and 2,733 in local universities and colleges, and state universities and colleges. Here is the breakdown of the number of learners enrolled per school's division office in Region 6. According to DepEd Region 6 Information Officer Hernani Escolar Jr., the uptick in enrollment may be attributed to the 3 enrollment options made available. Aside from the in-person enrollment, parents and guardians can also opt for remote enrollment by filling out a digital form and sending it through the school's official email or other messaging platforms. They can also enroll through Dropbox forms by filling out the enrollment form and physically submitting them through drop boxes provided by the schools. Negros Occidental saw a slight increase in the prices of eggs and meat products. According to the Provincial Veterinary Office, the price of eggs is up by 10 centavos per piece on average. Carabao meat also increased by 1 peso and 38 centavos per kilo, and beef by 2 pesos per kilo. Chicken also saw a slight price hike of 54 cents per kilo. Currently, the cities of Sagay and Escalante are reported to have the most expensive Carabao meat, with prices as high as 340 pesos. Meanwhile, the town of Don Salvador Benedicto has the lowest Carabao meat price at 195 pesos per kilo. The PVO is attributing this increase in meat prices mainly to high price of feeds. And those were tonight's latest headlines. This is your anchor, Elisha Lusario Pumida. Good evening. For more stories, check our website, www.panaynews.net. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Grab the digital copy of Panay News on Press Reader. Read Panay News via the Inquirer Plus app and avail a free 30-day trial. Join Panay News community on Viber. Don't forget to always wear your face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing.